Hi athletes, welcome to this HIIT cardio workout for beginners by CureFit. This is me Nikki and Rahul, and together we'll guide you through this super fun and exciting HIIT workout.
Hey guys, we are excited to bring you to these 6 handpicked workout movements that will do wonders to your body. The best part is that you do not need any equipment and you can perform all these workout movements anywhere, especially from the comfort of your homes.
This workout is perfect for beginners who want to begin the fitness journey, and also for advanced athletes. The only thing you have to do is amp up the intensity and you're good to go. So without any delay, let's start the workout. Okay, the first movement is high knees. High knees is a very good cardiovascular movement. It's going to bring your heart rate up. It's going to also engage all the muscles in your legs. Make sure to keep your core engaged, and when you're lifting your knee, make sure your knee is just till your hip line. So this is how you do a high knee. Okay, so let's start in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
And let's go. Keep your spine straight, your chest up, chin up, and bring your knees in line with your hip.
Keep going guys, keep going.
An amazing cardio movement which gets your heart rate really high, guys. Come on, you all got this for 45 seconds. If you want to scale this movement down, you can just get your knee up. You can avoid the jump, but just lift your knees in line with your hip. But try not to give up for 45 seconds.
Keep going guys, a few more seconds.
Feel your heart rate going high. Land soft on your knees, and we are done.
Great job guys. Now over to second movement. Rahul, take it over.
Alright guys, the second movement is going to be jump lunges, which is again going to engage your lower body and core. Starting with the lunge position, we're going to add a jump and switch side. Alright, so we're going to perform this movement for 45 seconds. Alright Nikki, let's do this.
In 3, 2, 1, let's go. So guys, if you want to scale it down, all you have to do is just avoid the jump and just go one leg at a time. Make sure your knee is in line with your hip. That's all, good to go. Keep going.
Keep your spine straight, lift your chin up, try not to drop your upper body.
And don't forget to smile.
Yes.
Keep going.
As many reps as possible in 45 seconds. Work on that form, work on that speed. Keep moving guys. Almost there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and we are done. Whoa, I feel the pump on my lower body already.
Okay, let's start with the third movement, Russian twist. Russian twist is a very good movement for your obliques, targeting your core. Sit down. So now from here, lift your leg up, bend your legs from here. You're going to move your hands from one side to the other side. Along with your hands, your head also moves. Just follows your hand, all right? We'll start in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep going.
Get that crunch on your obliques. Feel it on your obliques every time you move to your opposite side.
Keep your core tight and keep going.
If you want to scale this movement down, you can drop your heel on the ground, lean back, and you can give that crunch on your obliques and reach the floor. Keep going. I feel the burn already.
Don't round your back. Keep going.
Great stuff, guys. Keep moving. Try not to give up for 45 seconds. As many as possible. You can slow the pace down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are done. Whoa.
Okay guys, the next movement is called toe taps. So what you're going to do is keep your feet shoulder width apart. Move to your left side. From here, try with your right toe, touch your left toe. Move to the other side, touch your toe. Keep going. Keep up the coordination. And let's go.
Yes. Keep moving guys. For the first few seconds, you can just go slow. Focus on the movement. Focus on the form. As you keep getting used to the movement, you can speed up the pace.
The only scale down we have for you is just decrease the intensity a bit.
An amazing movement, get your heart rate really high.
Don't forget to touch your toes. Keep going.
Almost there, almost there.
I know your legs are burning. No giving up, no giving up.
I feel my quads burning. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and we are done. Whoa.
Whew.
I feel the burn. I hope you all are feeling the burn too. All right, guys, the next movement is going to be our favorite movement, which is squats. The points of performance, you're going to place your feet shoulder width apart, your toes slightly pointing outside. Starting from here, you're going to hinge at your hip and you're going to squat, making sure that your hip is parallel to the floor, keeping your spine straight, lifting your chin up, and then come up, extend your knees and squeeze your quads. All right, so we're going to do this movement for 45 seconds, starting with a squat position. Let's go in 3, 2, 1.
So when you're coming up, try to squeeze your glutes so you can activate those glute muscles. Even squeeze your quads, activating that as well. Keep going.
Try not to go out of your form. Stick to the same rep.
Keep going. The only scale down but this is just go for a partial squat. That's all. Yeah? When you feel you can go a little lower, just go for it.
When you do it with a great form, you're engaging the right muscle, guys. So make sure you're not going out of your form and keep moving for 45 seconds. You all got this. Last few seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we are done.
Okay,
Whew.
that was one killer 5 movements. Now, before we move on to our last movement, I invite you all to our CureFit app and try out our CureFit live workouts. Here, you can work out with a lot of trainers like us who will guide you through your fitness journey.
If you download the app through the link in the description or the first comment below, you will get a free access of 14 days. Alright guys, moving to our 6th movement, which is fast feet. Starting your feet under your hip, you're going to stay light on your toes and you're going to move your feet as fast as possible for 45 seconds, moving your arms to your opposite sides. Yeah, if you want to scale this movement down, you can just do a spot jog for 45 seconds, but try not to, guys. Yeah, alright, let's begin in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
So what you can do is for the first few seconds, you can just go slow, yeah? And when you feel like you can go a little faster, try to amp up the intensity and go a little faster.
Another great warm-up movement which gets your heart rate really high. Keep moving, guys, for 45 seconds. Do not give up. As fast as you can and the smile on your face. Keep moving. We got this. You got this. Almost there.
Keep going, come on. Last movement and then we're done.
Let's get this done, guys. In few seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Whoa! I feel the burn. And that brings us to the end of this HIIT workout for beginners. You can perform 2 to 3 rounds in a day to increase the intensity.
Add this to your personal playlist so you can come back and try this workout at least 2 to 3 times a week for a month. Always remember, a good workout can never outlast a bad diet. So make sure you have a healthy diet, try to incorporate protein in your diet as well, and also try to avoid trans fats.
Reduce your stress levels and keep a tab on your sugar intake. Get 7 to 9 hours of sound sleep to let your body rest and recover. Let us know if you've liked the movements and how you felt in the comment section below.
Stay tuned for our next workout in our CureFit YouTube channel. Like the video, share it with your friends, your fam, everyone, spread the word. Save the video either in your watch later or create a new playlist so you can come back and do this workout with us.
Subscribe to CureFit channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Cheers, guys.
Take care, guys. Bye-bye.